How's it going, man? Good to see you. Yeah, for sure, bro.
Are you guys hosting this?
Mm-hmm.
No, yeah. Because you and AJ host the screening, that's how it means.
Oh, yeah. AJ thinks he's a good player. I don't know what he sees in you.
Who?
AJ.
Thinks who's a good player?
He thinks he's a good player. I don't know what he sees in you.
In me?
I'm just kidding. He respects you. I respect you, bro. But you see, that's the thing. He lacks that. And I think that's the most important thing you guys have at this age. He's really good, man. That one there, he's the best player. On here?
Nope, he should be here right now. I don't know where he's at. I'm gonna call him.
No, so basically, let's say if it's a soccer game like this, for example, you can say like, hey guys, I'll take the soccer game videos and I'll edit the videos for you. Then they'll ask you like, how much you charge us?
Shoot that, one time. You got that on. You got that goal on camera, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that guy's gonna be happy.
You see what I mean? So it's good to be a good camera person because you capture good moments like that.
I would have the perfect team here, Kuda. I would get an unbelievable team. I actually think we'd win.
So should I register you guys for the next season?
I don't know, guys. I have to check because these guys, the two guys, most likely two guys that are really good.
So I'm not committed?
No, they are, but one of them right now just had surgery, so he won't be as good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the guy that's calling me right now, Joshua. Oh no, man, that's my friend. That's the other guy. Hello? Yo! What up, beef?
What are you doing for the long weekend?
Long weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Probably his kids are like kind of our age.
Oh, okay, good.
17 and like 20.
Good.
Oh my. Oh. What a goal.
I'm catching some good goals here, bro.
You gotta. Tomorrow, my brother-in-law,
Uh-huh.
and my sister's husband, he's taking me to the mall. He's gonna buy me some sweats.
Really?
Yeah, no, my brother's gonna buy me this, and tomorrow my sister wants me to go meet her, because she's gonna give me something too. So I'm getting like 3 things in like one day.
Damn, son, can I come?
Funny guy.
Just tell them this is the best coach I've ever met in my whole life.
You didn't even coach me once.
Yeah, I coached you once, have I not?
No?
Not even one game, one practice?
No, you never coached me once. No, maybe the one time. Good, okay, be honest. The time that I came to try for you guys, remember it was like the adult team?
Oh, yeah.
I was so used to just playing it fast and play it back to you. And I still was so scared.
And you're doing so well with the adults. I think you fit so well.
I was so scared too.
Really?
Yeah, I wasn't as aggressive until now. Right now, I feel like I got so much better. But I'm working on so many things right now.
What's the most important thing you're working on?
Probably finishing.
Finishing. Because you're a winger, you said, right?
Cutting and shooting, yeah. That's like my most important thing. That guy's good.
What team do you support?
Arsenal.
Good job. Do you still go to Hjorth Learning Center?
No.
Where do you go to now?
North Surrey Learning Center. I went to North Surrey.
North Surrey Learning Center?
Not Guildford.
Which one is better?
I don't know. I've never been to Guildford. I only went to North Surrey Learning Center.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, we're close. Dude, I remember I'm inviting you to my game.
When is it?
I told my brother, the reason my brother said I'm buying you the cleats, but he's like, you better score this, none of this assists. He said, I want you to score. That's why he's buying me the cleats.
Your brother is smart.
Damn.
Your brother is wise. Pedro, what are you going to do when you're done in school, bro? What are you going to do when you're done in school?
In the learning center?
No, when school is done and you have to work, what kind of work are you going to do?
Oh, soccer. Another goal.
So I want to be like him, eh?
So I'll probably work for his company.
What does he do again? Painting?
Wallpaper. It's more expensive than painting.
Oh. What's the name of his company?
Laboratory Covenant.
Does he have a website?
Yeah.
Can you show me? Send it to me.
Do I even have you? I think I do, yeah.
6 of 4.
Wait, I'm gonna check the people. Coach. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, this is the only video I have of my phone.
Oh, neat.
I have one of him in a game. But that was like a long time. I think he was like my age maybe.
Wait, that's him? Yeah. Was that you?
No, that's my friend.
Oh. What's his name?
Takes 2, passes it, right pass.
What's his name?
Joshua.
Smart.
I started getting so much better after I started training with him. Oh, comeback. Or was it offside?
So,
you're gonna come to my game, mate.
Okay, sounds good.
Coastal Cup.
Coastal Cup? When?
25th. I don't know where.
I think I'll be there actually. What was I gonna say also? All the kids will be wearing like the jerseys with the brothers' company on him.
Yeah, right?
Exactly.
He gave his all to this, and I didn't expect it to actually happen as good as it is.
Really, eh?
He gets lots of jobs.
24, wow.
He didn't even finish high school.
He's so young, man.
I know. I didn't realize he's actually so young. I'm acting like he's 50 or something.
He's so young.
This guy's good right here.
Go.
Kudo, when did you start playing soccer? What age?
You wanna know the truth?
Yeah.
You'd be surprised.
15?
Yes, sir.
You started playing when you were 15?
And I went to America, I got a scholarship, I played for a college.
Oh my god. That's a good flop.
Uh-oh, here's another goal.
Is there going to be any friendlies or anything from North City tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wait, who?
A France team.
France team? Oh, they are having a France team because of the ID or something. I told him he's gotta be here. He's not even here. Voy a la casa de la Stephanie después. Y por eso te estoy preguntando si me puedes dejar. Usted puede ir en bus después. O la Stephanie después que termine la iglesia o algo. Sí, por eso. Vale. Oh, he's so mad. He just hung up the other way.
What did he say? No, don't go.
He didn't want me to go on bus. He's too tired.
Oh, he was gonna give you a ride?
No. Yeah. Can't wait to get those new boots.
That'll be sick.
That's like the best football feeling.
Which one?
Getting new boots.
Oh yeah, facts.
Triple, there's space. Nice. Coach, you think I'd be a good coach? Like on my own?
I'd love to see you volunteer first with some kids.
Kids, that's too easy.
Well, yeah, that's how it
It's too
starts.
complicated. I know.
No,
Like,
it's
give me like actually like age 18 or the U15.
you gotta always start from the bottom, my friend.
It's the FIFA knowledge. I feel like the
After
way
a
I
while-
play a lot that helped me so much actually, and what I have, the talent I guess, is what my dad has taught me.
Okay,
Because my dad is a really simple midfielder,
really?
and he's really good. Unbelievable. He's 56. When he played the two teams that he was in, one of them, the guys were just really bad. They were just really bad. And also with this guy, his name is Meme. He knows Felipe. That's how I know Felipe, because
Oh, I see.
so
I
Felipe
see.
knows Meme, and Meme is one of my sister's boyfriend, the one I'm in the house to. How did I get that? That guy, they played together for a long time. We're over 40s, and they won the championship in the summer.
Oh, nice.
I told my dad to come try out for volunteering to come help and coach
That would be
when I
so
was in
cool.
nursery, and he didn't want to. He said he would get too angry.
That would have been so cool, though. Hello, Mark. Yes. Some games. Nexus. Do you have keys to the clubhouse? Okay, then wait for me then. Yeah, okay, I have 5 minutes left here, then I'll come there. I have 5 minutes left. No, I'm taking videos. Alright.
Fun. Where the heck are you, man?
Is someone doing what?
Bro, what the heck?
Yeah, it's okay, but I have to record because it's part of the league.
Hurry up, man.
No, recording. Oh, is this guy called Ben and Rageb. No. Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you at home? Are you not gonna come? Are you not gonna come? No, I'm asking for real. Are you not gonna come or what?
So now he's not coming?
I don't know. He says he's on the way. He's on the way. Sounds like he's at home.
Oh my gosh.
He does that sometimes though. He actually has done that to Arman. You know Arman?
I know, man, yeah.
Yeah, he said, come to the field one time, and he wasn't even at the field. So that's what he's probably trying to do. He's trying to make me look dumb right now. But he doesn't know that I told Pedro to come, and I knew that's what Oh no! Dude, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. It's so cold. I feel it.
Hi, bro.
can I let Jago come with me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Come with me, Jago. Where are you going?
Clubhouse.
And then just give this back to him.